Hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to teach you how you can unfriend people fast in Roblox on your mobile device. So first off, go to your iOS or Play Store and here simply search for Kiwi browser and install it. Okay, now that it has been installed, simply open it. Once it has been opened, here search for Google Web Store. Click on accept and select the option that says Google Web Store. So from here, you need to press on these three dots right here and click on desktop site, like so. Okay, next up I want you to search for Roblox friend. And this extension should pop up, Roblox friend removal button. Click on it and then click on add to Chrome. Okay. Now this should be added to Chrome. Next up, we want to log into our Roblox account. So go to roblox.com, click on login. After you have typed in your info, simply log in. Now from here, we want to go to our friends. And as you can see, now you have this little red button on the top right corner of the person right here. So as many friends as you have, all you have to do is press on this red button right here and you can remove them very fast. So thank you for watching. I hope this helped you out. Leave a like and subscribe and I will see you next time. Goodbye.